know. I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face.
Förloraren blir av med all extra utrustning och förvandlas till standardmodell.
I sold them.
To who?
No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over.
What's going on, ladies? All righty now, let's have us a little look.
This is impossible. That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow! What happened? Where are all the other cars?
Kid's just trying to be a hero, huh? Well, what do you think of this?
Mine named Maria, Juanita, Ronaldo, and Debbie Richardson.
What?
Long story.
May I have my tires back so I can...
Lightning Dragon McQueen.
I'll take care of this.
Oh, Lightning, come on. Look, I can do this. I can. I promise. Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I'd better do it in style.
What's Mr. Sterling gonna say?
You actually care about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.
Like that, folks, Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
Nice call, Peter.